What's up you guys, welcome to XJ6 channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace a faulty exterior light bulb on your XJ40. So let's get to it. The rear light bulbs are accessible from the inside of the trunk. Remove both plastic knobs, securing the plastic covers. You can replace the turn signal light, reverse light, and brake lights. To remove the light bulbs, push it in and then turn it counterclockwise. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the bumper fog light covers, the rear side marker lights, the front side marker lights, and the front turn signals. I'll demonstrate on the fog lights. To replace the license plate light bulbs, it's best to remove them from the inside of the trunk. Trying to remove the license plate assembly from the outside can be difficult, and you might break it if you force it out. To replace the third mount brake lights, remove this cover. There are two clips underneath it, push them up and then pull the cover towards you. If your XJ40 is equipped with rectangular headlights, you can remove the light bulbs from the back of the assembly. You can do the same for some circle headlights, I believe from the year 90 and up. If your XJ40 is equipped with steel beam headlights, then you have to replace the headlight assembly. To do that, you will have to remove the grille. Remove two screws from the inner top of the grille. Remove two 5/18 bolts from each side of the grille. Remove two top cover screws using a stubby screwdriver. Loosen 4 screws, just enough for the cover to slide off. You don't have to completely remove them. The last one is hidden, but you can reach it from the inside of this bumper gap. Loosen the 3 chrome ring screws and remove the headlight. Alright you guys, if y'all found this video helpful, please select the like button. Thanks for watching you guys, and by the way you guys, these XJ40s have a bad reputation for the rear taillight modules to go bad. So after replacing the brake lights, if they still don't work, most likely you're going to need a new module. But that's for another video. I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.